Hi, my name is Arjit Tiger, and in this quick video I'm going to show you step by step from scratch how to build a lead funnel in Clickfunnels 2.0 from scratch. So as you can see, we gonna build this funnel. It's my Clickfunnels 1.0 funnel. As you can see right now, we are in the Clickfunnels 1.0 editor. We gonna clone this funnel into Clickfunnels 2.0. Let me delete all of these first, and let's build this from the scratch so you can learn from it. Hit save button. So as you can see, we have a headline, a paragraph, and a sub headline elements here, and two of these sub headlines also, and one image, two inputs, and one CTA button with policy disclaimers. So let's start from scratch. First, click on add new section, select a full page section and one column row with a headline, a paragraph, and a sub headline with. And as you can see, we need two column row to build these. So let's add two column row and an image here, and as you can see, two sub headline here with two of the input buttons and one CTA. So I think almost it, and we need a paragraph below to update our policies. So in order to do that, we need to add a one column row again and add a paragraph. So let's hit the save button right now. So again, copy it and paste into our headline section, copy it again, and paste it in paragraph section. Hit bold. We will adjust it later. Let's copy and paste everything from this page, and then we will customize it according to our needs. And so let's copy these. Let's copy this two again, copy the CTA button text and hit the setting button and paste it right here. And we just need two more things, one image and paragraph text for our policies, and image. Select an image for your lead magnet, adjust it 40%. It looks okay. So now hit save button, and now we will customize it so it will look something like this. So hit setting button and reduce some padding. Click here. If you want it to rem, I don't know what it means, but select in pixels. 36 is, I think it looks okay. Select the bold color here, black to red, and let's, as you can see here, it's a bold italic underline, so that's why we do that. Reduce some padding again and select 2 pixels. It looks okay, I think so, with 26. And so right now I think we need some top margin here and change the color so it looks something like our previous funnels. Click on bold, hit setting button, click here again. So I think it looks similar. Obviously I choose the wrong font here, but this is one of the best fonts I have found, Red Hat text. So we hit the save button. We choose this font to build it right now, and let's fix this too. I think now we almost set. As you can see, I also show you a Google Chrome extension where you can copy any color from any website. Its name is Color Pick Eyedropper. So you can install it to your Google Chrome. So let's adjust this little bit. So you can pick any color from anywhere and import it to your website. Let's adjust its corners. Let's hit 25. I think it's look okay. Hit save again. And what else we could improve here? Let's see. Preview. I think it's almost done. As you can see, here is the width of this section is little bit smaller than our new version of this. So let's click on settings, adjust a little bit. Let's choose 950. I think it looks okay right now. So we are almost done. You can adjust it little bit according to your design or color of your brands. So let's select a pixel again. Okay, Now I think we are almost done, so hit save. If you want a template that we just built right now, I also share a share funnel link to the description. All you need to do is just click that link and it will automatically import it in your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, so you don't have to work from scratch. All you need to do is adjust the headlines and text and images, and you will ready to go. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you can get updates for our next videos, because in our next few videos I'm gonna show you how to build a video sales letter funnel to sell your courses and how to build a membership funnel to deliver your courses. As you can see, we just build a funnel that attracts our clients, and next video we build a funnel that sell our clients, and in next video we build a funnel that deliver our courses or information products on automation to our clients. So it's basically attract, sell and deliver concept. If you like this video, I already told you, subscribe our channel and hit the like button, and make sure you hit the bell button too. So hope to see you soon.